Meaning Jo Acholi, welcome back to Chaka Leb Acholi. I'm Jackline Ikang of Court. Team Wamira introducing a new segment learning on it, Ceng Abicel Ki Okeny, where we'll have Okeny join us with Chaka. Today's the first session with Okeny. You guys probably know Okeny by now, or been on the show a couple of times before. Team Wamira, let's Chaka as the first session, bit of the introductory session. Discussing anything we think is relevant in Acholi or Acholi community at large. Today topic is bit on money. Look, we talk. We see that within our community, based on groups online, we actually one and talk bit of doing it was actually at the beginning of in 2026. So what bit of katamani contributions mito katona when tona team doing in the community. Yalla bene expenses kiniti high it was the family how can we make contributions to those funeral a community more money holding funerals? How are we able to afford that, and how are we able to contribute to everyone effectively? So what bit of a look one go king and Okeny came up with the idea, and maybe how about something like Sunduk or like Chanduk. Okay, so please join the live Kumchani, what you are airing on Facebook, get YouTube wine. What you Facebook to Chaka Leb Acholi, one of the official page. Yalla I'm in a page para Facebook to Chaka Ikang Sudan. You can also follow us on YouTube, to Chaka Leb Acholi. Please make sure to like, comment, share. If you want to join a discussion, please drop a comment under this video. Keep a video any after recording in your air. It will get sharing on your platforms. It will be engaged with it will comments and send me a private message. We're not going to take too much time. Okeny is a busy person. I want to start the discussion with you, Okeny. Regarding this issue, Mawaneri community Tuane. One, we are both part of Acholi community group chats. One that there's been a lot of posts, Guinea group, Guinea, Mawatie Yene, Todd Otima Madung in the community tour. Yala, what ha. So, one more diaspora and expenses a bit of I'm sure Diamond might take an expense to the tier high. How can we effectively Chwala Chene, Wille, Konyo, Dano, Magitia Timo, funeral arrangements, me family, Mohone. How can we contribute to those communities right now, making sure that everybody has, or at least sees that we care about their families as our own, one or two, Jo Acholi. And it also stems from culture too, because what collective society where we konya each other kangamotie gigimo nyo kohotie kamo kitie gigimo imio gimo matiri mikonyo koge morally imunugima dano temo, and then also culturally tiro gimo ma what feel obligated to do because we're part of this social structure mingani pero either within a clan or a tribe where we konya each other munukima wadongo kere kima lomite kwara to wabero kere chikachuli wabero kakona each other. Okay, so without talking too much more, can Yamiro call you on to start discussing this idea you had of Sunduk? How do you think this can support one in the Acholi community, not only in the diaspora but just globally? How can we implement something like the Sunduk system, make Konya Dano when they're going through a hard time? To make contributions, me gonna call it down funeral arrangements with getting final rights community. What do you think? Okay, thank you. Me joining one, please. What do you think?
Yeah, I call for me welcome on the Chaka Leb Acholi.
Mm.
Ang the kini waje kirene topic iti what better than look me to download better to messages Charlie community to ni download to almost every week, every 2 weeks. Namono to kari kari iti cam, well kari iti pa job, well kari iti kind every week. anena message ro nene ro right ang members when gitia nene men ne gina de pingoro bangaro tia nene wan ni jui en dano to pingo so onge ma to mu go ti kum dano wen lakin ka in ye prepared ko ipe gi mo kumi yo ipe gi mo taji nhiều lúc mới thọ kêu lúc có đúng hiện mira what but then let's say ka atiro daga pe no tiro ngan mo no ti ngiri what gimiro gimogo miri chal ka na moto I remember when min wato jo pa jo mi jola jo mi watu gimiro ngawu nyumo dago ni wala bo nyum dago ni kit chene mo tia miro omi nyo ka yang o wa lo tini yang wala bo wa lo tini so kata obini kina chole pe lo yigi rie lo yigi ye lo mo miro kong dana ongi na ginyamulo yala ka chiga chulu ngo timo en karung yig mene bedo a pot a be so kirwotia na kere to me tia dunga kuma angyo yen one mer wa pe mo ilobuni koni lonyo wala kono logmo mi konyo kuma mi lo mi health kono ngo gimo e munu na pe akikato ngo bino ngo mer wan mena wen wa jok chin wa ka chiel yala ka wa nong rieko mo mi eni konyo kai family o mato time kungi yo wan wa yip kuma mi bedo so wangiwa be to ti kuma no so mero wa kon kuma we yo ka down ti atimoga we ga on go da pot yeah keep one there okay you ngewa be every week to ti so ave ra ngeo ko kimi gamolo ke akira neno Paul Jui na dano ti ata yala chuli nyo en dano ni pa jog kule kuno kanywen mero gi yibe pen ki yibe ma ingewa be de to ti bino ilo wen daro ngeo to ti bino lakin olaya kanya ka wa bere yene ini yibo gimo lungo ne wel iwajo ga wen ki odogi iwajo ke kato bini koma amiro gino time mane ot para boro bun ngat eni nyara bia para boro bun ngat eni lutini pa kene tugi tie kamo e mane bang yo lo wadung lakin wala ngeo wan lo chan gitu amo pe kato amiro bini komi itore po kimono ne pe akin to jui boro lo wadung iwi wat pe ra tie gina amiro kirewa gina ka yigo in so ka gimo pe yo ngichingi nyo game na ta no binarie kumge ginyo ko gamera ke temrarie ko so lo mi community be then ka dana jalo ju ingi nyo dano ko nyo ke ngariango tia be ngaro time mana so watwal emen o wudo len so munu giamiro luak weng biro ke chingi so kila tia tamana ta ti kuma so one mer wa jog a jog yo wa yin ria mo mi kero chingwa sara we ka gimo time kum ngan mo family to era mena twala ngari be munu dia tia
ya lo ken aneno ni pole wan ma wadongo wako kanye lo lungo ni ditine wabero ka mainly adopt culture ma wati wako kanye when it comes to handling funeral rites ingo gine yala anena beningo elders to and your parents to agini ka dano bero ka to wanene doko pol dano maro ni will give me rone at least a dog body palata gang will very soil me ancestors to the most people mirror your dog body pa nga to the motor their loved ones or dog gang. Lakini now don't kid me chwala dano gang ka chien peri pe like me what your system I what take no lunga on it having a will having a living trust give munune ka you take savings maybe family within just family too would accommodate situation me chwala body pangare gang Jomoko pole kanye gi pay life insurance gi pay living will gi tueroko. So they may depend on community twa. Kawa utegi kono clan community group more like one what taking on it, a gola kapu gingong or guinea. Dano contribute chene with a target amount. In most cases, Dana Twitter reach target amount. Go why pien Dana bene gitigi other responsibilities kanya. So it's tough me coming with this money me chwala Dana gang. Or kuma makanya me konya inko me chwala body a family member paid with loved ones back home me yone gang too kamu bino kia. So in most cases, Dana Dongi end up bearing family members to kanye instead of chwala gang where they belong or come out, hopefully they desire to be. So atamani ikara mogo kachene ne borom lo twere dong do body ganko contribution madana make it is it sufficient the way in the manner of which what you make contributions ikara ki take it twero ga molo tema do contribution matiro chene monetary ne mugi mi twere kenane ko force ko yes they make a suggestion if family chill maybe or donate a set amount maybe $100 from one family maybe there's maybe 100 families within one subclan. Say for example, Patanga, there's 100 of us in the U.S. This is just an example. I don't know the amount. That each family will donate only $100. It may add up to like $1,000. Okay, want me to do a body nigang? How will it will support. It will support. Keep me to do a body gang. Maybe it will even support me bearing kanye. Lakini ki tia ka differentiate the amount me yigo ngamukan imiter body kama hawa wong gang yala to have a funeral set up with a service before jaro ngoni yigo ngarika the cost itamani is enough is this a sustainable way me konya dano me do body pa dano to gang will is something that we can't actually fix because ngani one mama tia kanya in first Kawa pay kid, you cannot force somebody to me a set amount because they made a do about it for family members to come. They may have to consider other avenues. What do you think?
No, I probably have a question there, man. But long way do dano gang you can more tawny. Look at getting you lato. Yen lokere oke casket munu ngan mo abedi sit ko so were oko pat yen lokere en kamo apat oh kilo yanga winyo kere ni angio mer exact figure neko but angio dogodan in Africa anywhere from I think I could be wrong angio ko but 10,000 to 20,000
Wow.
dollars munu ngamia pieloro inite dege come on yeah kero te in cargo ko te me de java dana ta lakin pe in to iti en casket kero unit de la ko te en ka kero yani yala ka bi o mene in pe na mo ta so ngan ma bi na so me do arrangement mo ko me do team yala jogi gamo ini mene kenyu pe ni dana ta lo kero ara bi ara ya ta ni in no te ga yigo in twerko so lo kero in hers I'm sure yala jone me no gimira chene mitero in karo tero in yana yinga be well ma jona gi tero dan watane well to ki pinko well to ki malo so tero dano gi kono laya Africa well yotko well tag lakini community mere gi jogo chingi gi timo ga wenga be chene tie to do in ma akin gi tie mbo da wen ko twere ko ke wangi to time ko mo kanya la po akin ngan mo dogo mangio dung ikin an African wala kono Sudanese wala kono Acholi pe ayo gogda rio mo dogo gin ya pajok wala kono Africa but Paul down lo yigo gin kanya pien penny la mero yigo gin kanya dana wengi mere watu ga doge o ci yigen ay dogolo tugu akel lok yo la twere ko pien lok mi chene penny no ni lo mi yig
Okay. Ana bit ka nano look more about Kidma Dano Beruka make contributions kid in the past. I'm married my grow up Kanya. I haven't been as involved as Woon Mukama Wudongane. But in the past, as I remember, if I can recall, Ka family tia donate chene, it has to be one family mere contribution to chill. Ka don't get him accounting. Go lo charging jo marketing or family marketing or donation lo charging giving as one. Pekonani one person within that family meal. Now, ka within that family, with your siblings, yalla wun wun nyame with your gang too, would wear me a contribution on your own, lo charging within the accounting. I made an kid magino evolve kid. So adults give me a contribution. Mm? Like in Latino, Martina, or youth, say somebody in their 20s, uh, how do they make contributions? Are they not expected to make contributions because why? They're still in their youth? How effective would the system be? Ka youth bene, what y'all engaging in to make contributions? Well, munu give lo nena ne chiracholiko. It doesn't follow chiracholi to engage the younger generation to also make contributions. Should it only be parents from one family or one family making contributions? Or can it evolve to include even the youth magimero engaging mekonyo meal contributions? Young men are here for sure, ne? You use Janico. They used to use, like you said, crops, right? You don't need chum livestock gina pian no lumi chanipe. Up until the time when no gina colonization of Bino do mungi kilo missionaries get down on child transition to churches get you robanga missionaries when get a donation to kidong bodano. So that has changed quite a bit. I can look me channel. It's a little bit sensitive. I'm gonna pay my mirror look me channel when it comes to talk, because you don't wanna keep begging. Like can pressure net here, mimi or channel. Pien kon ko a lot of the turn peri. Ngamo peri to you need con too. So kage team accounting ko lo charging dana pin kan ni pe kuji kon ka cha pero bino. Ilur ni kon dong lo konya inko. Kage peri mo pe. Kon is schedule rent or skip gimo we make contribution eh. Pien kon kacha pero bino miro ni kon or nen nyingi ka mo we no kon in kacha pero bino. So how can we? I guess this is a very again sensitive topic. Like, how can we engage more people to make contributions? Because I can assume that contribution with 20,000, 30,000, 50,000. Has that happened before? Do you know? I haven't been as involved. So I'm is it possible for a Chole community to reach that amount per a funeral? Me funeral chair. Is that possible?
yeah actually me when get actually when get a group yeah like get organization when inge be yang mo bino kere actually no mangi be mo bino kere America wa yang o jaga gasa asala
Mm,
o jaga mer organization mani o jaga yi Kenya mu ka yang kakuma
mm,
ken
mm,
boys o get no any camp Kenya kakuma
mm,
in luckily or gi bini America bino
mm.
tu in America na gi bera mio kamio information ma ni actually ati Kenya actually ati kono kan actually wen mero gi bit achiel gi chak lok mi konyo kongwe gi ngo en ochako asel ochako kere muna remember 1993 long time
Mm,
but for myself actually community wen gi a gi kome Kenya yeah Jomi Magui, Jomi Omeo, Jomi Pajok, Jomi Obo, Kono Jomi Kany, Achulu Wayne Magiti Olaya, Gineno Abe ni okay, one young wati under umbrella chill, me Asaela, one miracle down to a tea gang. So for that, because sub clan tie ma dana tie pa jok jua ti gichiro abo jua gichiro kono meo jua gichiro kan agoro jua gichiro kan so dana wengi cha okelu teru wigi mi yabo organization ma chi dogola tugi akin ka lo mi contribution chere re mere deep unless one wing wa jogo ching one wing so chale pa jok jo giti Australia, giti UK, giti alawaji Europe, alawaji Canada, alawaji America. Angeo ko kada Middle East, angeo America. Actually me ti Middle East, akina angeo ko world ti. Pole chalo Ghana. Yala juna giti ulo wati wogone. Gingi tu bibi chene. Akin log mi chene ne. Kadara wen kita ni wajan. Tiero family la gimi ya chene wala ngara chela chela mero gimi chene kriya ngiyo chaka gi family ko chaka uti or una bi chel meri uti na ngwen so woru mi chel mu contribution to mi family too akin pinya be lage chal ka ino ngitiro member an ka ti wana bi chel wati when member when wa mero wa ju mi chel wen yeah, munu mere malo akin pole munu nongi dongo peni tie latina ti so angeo ko kida logo logo kire la kira angeo be pola chulo ingi tie gi organization tu alowo dogola tu munu ki agi timo wa yang ken ngeo be chalka ngeo timo development ya pa jog buti jog mira gi tim ga tu gola ka pup kimira gan kwan kimira odiat nyo gimiro chwala yat nyo gimiro chwala kurongo munu gia gimo munu ge dogola tugi munu gia pinya loge dara tiate ya akir kimi neno future mi actually nyo kono mi pa jok wala kono mi abo wala kono mi magui wala kono pani kwa kono kan dana wen no miro gi bed gi riego mo mi tedo wigi peni kono dara we tigi chen jamo e munu pe akin riena kirwa waje kirene ta ti atri na du no yala ka ingi pe mo pe yigo dano yut ko yo ka mo to go laya tere gang yut ne ko so ka al wa community gi bini komi ina ka jolo in ka ro chingi gi biro konyo in yo gi timo gi mo imene ngama wat to ni ineno chal utie ga chiel dano tie ga gina akonyi dano tie ga ba kingi yo tie ga ka ne oke to wen go bini ko mo wen tini pe kun wa bi wa gina wa kero chino wen ka chiel wa konyi digi par unu ke chino ga chiel we wo konya ngana so I think in 2026 kino tie waje kene dano to dum pole me go ko ngeo ko no atangeo pol dano ko ken ad en wati ko kanya but mean no news every day every week every month ngarota 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 so loke dum akin mero yi riego mo sra we kan mo to wa konyo ko mo time gi system e konyo ko mo akin mero wa bet kire gi mo go dana wen joti olaya one at least what to contribute chena Yes. Be ulo me take. Lakin in kiti kira mo atiri ni. Ito era mi yana. Ito era mi. Jumi Australia. Ito era mi yana. Jumi Canada. Ito era. Juati Europe. Ito era. Juati America. Ito era mi yana. Yeah. Be take. So court system mo. Chal wawa ike sanduk sanduk. Mu gayang. Mon me no gitimo gani. Angye watin pod gitimo. Yala kanya angyo jomo group moko gitimo. Munu gyono elo lungone contribution me munu ya ikero chini ping ikero gemo atiri ngamone atiri ngamone kero atiri ngamone kero atiri giri wen atiri okero ne wen kori baka bino abe so ati atamana wana no wacha giri mbera ne tie yen kero ne waje group wen gitie gi dogola tugi gingi tia tema contribution to gingi tia konyo komu gingi tia guy weng be lakin chal actually no weng mero gi no riego mo ma dana weng no gi jo gi mo lo kere ki cha ka to bino ma ka mo mero kon che kulu ti kan kwan gi mero gi mo che nyo ko ngan mo ti kan mo ken ka gi nyo ne ki che to alego lego gi mo lo mi gi nyo gi bi duogo nyo gi timo ni mu nen chal watia ko mo pemere local government pe kari government gi tim gi tugine wula kin utie gi system e konyo ko mu ubero kari to bi ko mu peru nge gi go ko mu so ubero ada mu ga atega chuli mero gina gi mere kire angeo dara wen mere gi ti dogo la tugi but system mo mero dara ngotin ma gi konyo ko mu kire.
Yeah, okay, I think it's a great proposal. Either gimoma tie watu streamline jal sanduk sanduk mina tuero teach. Tuero mera bit of gonna supplement income your charity momo lotia timone. Nge pole contribution ala tima after ngamoto or job in your contribution. Kawa bit gig mo jal sanduk sanduke watima pre-planning. It's wrong, mera mi tamni kon ngamo bitonyo gimo timbe mira wa planning ahead. Muni system mongi tie get already. Molo luang ngore life insurance ginga moon pre-planning because you never know ngama konti mani. So ko bero do community actually yala wa propose gimo matwero sustaining one gimo ma wacha kero ye slowly kono lotimo monthly kono lotimo weekly lotimo ni ninge lo kero kamo wala lo kero lo entrust koni bank lo entrust bo ngamo lo collect chene ne contribution matter bene within clans wala kono communities lo twere tim ne pori lo mero ye lakin sanduk ko bero katima ne beforehand kagi mo tima tura gumuno konyo wangeni ngo sanduk system tie wa bero collecting through sanduk contribution munu in addition to it madana twere miane because the kar mo ka chambe no porbo dana lo twere mi contribution ko kases mi sanduk nyo gimo gumuno tie in place twere konyo one because kar mo ka to tie say for example dana rio to tie nyo ngamo to tie ni mi contribution tie ni di ngamo do to mi contribution ki twere ko ikar mo it's not easy for everyone to make contribution every single day or every single week or every single month. So I think this proposal of Sunduk can work, right? We can engage a Chula community wing to get involved globally. So this is a system that maybe you can propose, okay? Actually will at least we engage maybe platform actually community. Konya, let's see, time bidding. I think Dana more so giluro system where Lotia collecting chana every day and then trusting Jumagiti are collecting chene. Mera, what I've seen so far, actually get transparent. A group mawati a key make contribution or joining down ping I make contribution how much. Yala Jumoko Benegi produce list of items magi bit of spending chene neye, whether it's for funeral me projects more. So that we know for sure there's a system in place. Make it me check it on it. I think we should maybe engage other people through other Acholi groups to see what they think about having a Sunduk Sunduk system that may work. In addition to charity, might give me a contribution more me kanga moto. Muna na gimulo tima on a case by case basis. Kanga moto kalo chaka penyo contribution. I think having something already in place, theater insurance though. All right, what would ensure kumwa by having this system in place. Apo amero king. The only thing that I would think about right now, a truly elders do moho jogo ma dong a loyal one. Yitamaning oni. Look me chen and you look me to me board elders to handle. Jomokomatia the youth, Jomokomatia young, mera pagi engage too much you look at. But at Tamanika joining hands so when you youth we getting a culture to the PN look man when 12 con you getting late in life to the not just kumchani, well family members who kumchan. Ma kon get men get fall in this situation, knowing how to handle it, how I engage youth early in this process. Uh, and another need Jomo take shame, look me channel when it comes to talk. But I want to say that PNY evolved so much that system in me gonna deal with animals, with the crops, you know, to article, especially one more what you gonna come to city, go to what peggy livestock, me. So pull it down on get again, me channel is the only way. Any final thoughts, okay? I think it's a great system. Maybe you should propose it to other Acholi groups or Acholi people. What do you think? What about comments too? Look, we think Sunduk Sunduk globally, but Acholi community. Munu gima wakir in place. Ma dana tuera collecting will contribute to maybe every month, once a month. In addition to any other contribution, more after Namota. Okay, what do you think? Any final thoughts?
No, basically, you are taking munu idea, binogi, gemo yang lo timo, yang, lungun, gilep, gilep to and me Africa, cooperative, cooperative.
Mm. Mm.
If,
Leb
no,
more again, Leb Acholi, wait.
cooperative, munu, un, and, lote dero, ba
Mm.
utie farming ga,
Mm.
ini jo chwal mi, itiegi bell, itiega nyogi, itiegi ngo, janjar, itiegi ngo. So wunu the members malo wu chwalo ga tuni lo chikero kamo store wu wen wu the member ne
Mm.
ga ni mere malo yala munu ka e kare ma chano bino nyo uti gire pinyo dio un
Mm.
munu group ero utwero charo gane yala chiene utwero pogone kinu per wunu members metimo ga ere wen so
Mm.
ya tamo krene munu system actually pola when you uh,
Mm.
again 1 August 2026 so
Mm.
we can all
Mm.
gal law look me jogo en kira ke jogo nyugi jogo
Mm.
mo o lero chire ka chare kono juba
Mm.
o chira chare kono Uganda wala kono
Mm.
chira chare kada ulong chene kada ukir gang kada un jen kiriya mi poko chene nyu kimi gemo timo ke chene so
Mm. Yeah.
yeah, Sunduk Sunduk is a good idea for community pian. Uh,
Mm.
Giamira dana when your members in here, ngama go chen. Munu ngamira
Mm.
chal either if it's up to me,
Mm.
chal mon roma dick ngaria.
Mm.
But back up to go like your my chair.
Mm.
Uh, getting you mon tema Sunduk Sunduk pole mon tema. Kari wa tin podi tema. Nyewa da.
Mm. Mhm.
Yala dio pien gidi ngia be chal di ko jogo iri ini gamo ko jogo wo ngal mo ne ngare gamo ko jogo mo ngaro gamo ngan mo ti ko na cham chiene ne o wala ko na kwala chiene ne o gi mo
Mm.
e kira ne na kene as
Mm.
long te me ti ka woda be ya lo nom el lo gam chiene ne gi ti
Mm.
da ye ni o pin ya la gi ti mo gi me ko da na wen gi ne tio
Mm.
Irwoyo Olaya kan luongo bune credit union. Uh,
Mm.
credit union ne mira tiro bank. Akin
Mm.
bank ino ke tiro member ne. Chene
Mm.
pe kero yene. na mo ke ne lo kwa che ke le mi we la Arabia mi we lo od itu ga loan gi kom chene yen ini mana ya lo mo kom lo ke le ko mi ne pe yen da ni ya be ni in ke remember ga wen ke da actually ni ikiro ke ni lo mo chene so I think one ka cha ga mo imuno chalmi en sanduke ni kono dano cha no riego be any cooperative ma wajene what will log gini go in 5 years 10 years 20 years be cooperative bank meaning bank what ye pologang bank what there penny bank more Chalconi Bank of Uganda or South Sudan or Cross Central Bank imunuko muno ti kingang na one way do chene we wa kire in kim kono chene ali bapa then ke mo lo mo dio in ikira ku ye ki pe nyame ali bapa a do gini imane idi query be sisi mi bank lakin bank e pe ni pe bank adana la da bank dana wa tie o te der no gatie locally and payam yo gatie idogolo pa joni yo pa choli yo pa luo kono munu wachal wana chwe watu timo gini from 10 years from now 20 years from now even 30 years from munu giwa Jewish gitemo Jewish na gilonyo lobu yen ingi no rieko mo mi konyo kumgi ken lo mi lon gi kan nyuri riko in ki mira kel Jewish wengi ribe gimi rimile na ken gimi yala ka digi be 2 million yala ka ko konyo nan mo ko mere kra ni bu wen en u lon be mo chero kre malo mulu atamo ya be jono be mi lobone Jewish gilon pien rieko gi te kanikin weekend
yeah,
I bought a
that's a good
local.
idea. Yeah, it's a good idea. Miradong proposing, right? Creating a buy-in within the Acholi community globally. Meeting with Sunduk Sunduk. It might be a task. Jomoko no get maybe reserved. Jomoko no get tamani nga collect and chene. That is something that we can put in discussions. Cool. Like you said, selecting maybe one in North America, one in Australia, one in Africa, one in Sudan or South Sudan, and one in Uganda, one in Europe, or something like that. Kadom, when the time comes, collecting and the gitima rotation, kimalatima sanduk sanduk kerene. Kata bino, they all connect with nano ka community chan mati kono Europe, will Australia, will Africa, get enough, will America, get enough. Jumo kon tuwa chwalo. Nyo kapilo kera wen kanchiel, mi konyo effort. I think it's a great idea. We should propose it. On that, actually, look at how will they engage with this information? Are they willing? I mean, we are a collective society. We're not taking away from what's happening now with contributions more Timo on a case by case basis. And again, we're not forcing hands because I know look, China is a sensitive topic, especially since what look, we take quite a enforce put until today. Mirwate look, more like I think it's a great idea. We should actually introduce it to our Choli elders and the Choli group. On that, I think also assigning Moon is a great idea because I think traditionally, my hand and look me funeral wang, we're not taking away from that. I think just the accounting of it and collecting Chen. I think Moon do a great job with Sunduk Sunduk. You're right. We should appoint Moon Guinea to collect Chen. And we see how it goes. Each group or each Dahom may whatever Kuna America will Europe may have their own meetings. They can have monthly meetings about contributions and how it's going. It's something you can pilot. We can pilot it maybe for 1 year or something like that. Or and then those groups Sanduk Sanduk, right? The organization of Sanduk Sanduk. Then they can send their reports to other mini groups or what do you call it? Group me clan mohoni or sub clan group to get what reporting information. maybe that will then create more buy-in with Dan Mukemben getting contributions towards the Sunduk Sunduk. Kagin and the benefit there. Okay. Apo Amer, okay. I'm not here taking too much time. Let me see if there was any other points I'll bring up. Like, it seems like you touch on everything regarding how to prepare for, events like Gemuru. That's pretty much it. So, Anapoya, we look forward to having you again next Saturday. This is going to be a continuous session. Mawa biro kere kalo. Look more about Acholi. Will look we take what about Acholi. Will current events about Acholi. Every Saturday evening, it for about 30 to 40 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes on Saturdays. I hope that people will join the discussion. Actually, community committee join discussion. We try about a message. We try to what DM, so we can include your points to the discussion. Well, I try to join one of the guests to discuss. Okeny will be on every Saturday evening to discuss anything relating to Acholi or Acholi people, Acholi community, Acholi culture. And I hope you guys will stay tuned. Okay. Okay. Anything else?
No, Apo. That's all I can say. Thank you.
Okay. Apo, I know it's late at night. You have to attend to your family and maybe Jama Gimo. Until next Saturday, okay? Have a good night and we'll see you then, okay?
All right.
Bye. Bye.